What's up, guys? So today we are drifting the E30 right here. Boom. If you didn't watch yesterday's video, go watch it because we finished up the car, we washed it, it looks amazing. It's amazing on the dyno, everything's awesome. And today will be the first day that we drifted. We actually made this goddamn drift event. We're here at Lock City Drift at Thompson Motor Speedway. There's so much to say. I'm just way too excited to even talk right now, but look it! It didn't break on the trailer, which is always a huge plus because that does happen sometimes. And today we're gonna be drifting. We're not gonna be drifting the skid pad, we're gonna be drifting the clubhouse circuit, which has been our competition circuit. So it's a little nerve-wracking knowing that we have to jump straight to a course, like with elevation changes and everything. As you guys know, we've had the issue with the rear springs where they sent us front springs for the rear, and that's why it sits so high. One of my good friends brought me some 4-inch springs, so I think we're gonna throw these in real quick and see how it sits. If it sits where we want it, we'll leave it in. If not, we'll just keep the 5-inch springs in it and go from there. But
what's going on is Jimmy Oak's Garage. Actually, we're gonna do something different. What's going on is Jimmy's Garage. Holy shit. But we made it here early. We're gonna be drifting. They're doing a little competition. Jimmy's gonna get like 3rd or 4th. You already know.
He's not in the competition.
All right, so scratch that.
He's gonna be in first place.
Drifting.
Yeah.
Some hot boy shit.
Hot boy. So pretty. Old man shit right here.
It's weird seeing this thing on the ground, right?
I know, right? It's been on Jack's hands forever.
Hey Bear, if you're watching this, which you're probably not, thank you for the springs, homie.
I can't even.
You look good,
Yeah, right,
Patty.
she looks right in there. Very you.
Yeah, I know.
It looks so good.
I'm so glad you bought this for me.
She's such a...
So I ordered nice sticky front tires because these are kind of shitty for front tires, but they didn't come in, of course. So we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't really understeer that much. We'll find out. I have no idea what to expect. Now I fit. I just fit. Here we go. Definitely no 1J.
No, it's so quiet too.
That is a whole different animal.
So different, but so good.
How'd that feel as a passenger?
It was so smooth. Like at first I thought I was like gonna be very nervous because I was like, oh no, this is a big car, like a new car, and you're full sending it right from the start.
Oh, all right, so that was it. This car's got a lot of angle. It's sick. Like, I wish I had a solid 80 more horsepower, but I'm definitely learning to like just don't lift. So what I gotta do is I gotta learn how to pick a line where I don't have to lift on the throttle at all and just stay with that line, because right now I'm used to kind of like being able to modulate power, so I can kind of pick a sloppier line, I'm not gonna lie. But this will force me to make sure I have a very fast, fluent line so it keeps the momentum up. Make sure the fenders are in one piece still.
Doesn't even
Awesome. Sheesh. Honestly, I was surprised you went that deep in the first lap. That was pretty good. Yeah, I was nervous, but I mean, you got it. This car's really good, Dan. Yeah, it's good. It's a really good car. This turned out well. Yeah, I gotta do a quick cool down. No, this thing isn't even getting hot, dude. This pusher puts in work. it up this hill, with this power, I'll be so happy with myself. The car has a lot more grip than I thought it would though. I'm happy with it. BMW, baby. You're right, the side bite on this car is so much better than my S13. Okay, one more. Last one, here we go. That was good, that was fun. I think I'm getting the hang of it. I guess the hot laps were getting to me. My tire crew right here, Mike and Josh, both technicians, one's Firestone, one's Town Fair. Let them know, represent. Team Jimmy O. So we just changed tires, open drift started again, and it looks like Brian was just in for a ride
Brian got in for a ride along in a Beamer. And they went to Manji that corner, and they went face first into the wall.
Oh, dude, that's so. I always say it too. That's the scariest corner. That has me so shook. No, I'm so sorry, homie. Ouch. You feeling good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Body man extraordinaire.
Anybody get on video?
What? Right, nice work, kid.
Hey, you're welcome.
How you doing?
Honestly, he was doing pretty good for his first lap. He just sent it. His first 2 laps, actually, he did pretty well for having no hydro or nothing. Just caught a little bit, caught the glide on the first mile.
I'm telling you, that's the scariest part. All right, well, that crash definitely has me nervous just because that's the, I always say it's the scariest part of the track just because if you grip up, like, we swing it so hard left there that if you grip up at all, it's really easy to go right into that wall. So it just has me double thinking now, you know?
Don't do it. You'll be fine. Don't do it. Listen, I haven't driven this car yet. If you smash it up now, I'm gonna be really pissed.
Nah, we got this.
We do.
Are you guys excited?
Of course I am. This is a whole different, I mean...
The 4-door is nice, right? It's comfy.
Yeah, it is. It's like, I don't know. You know, I love that S13. That's my favorite, but make me a BMW lover.
You're gonna love this thing.
I know.
I'm already in love with this car.
That worries me because you told me I could have this car.
I never said you could have
You did.
it.
I
said you could drive it.
Oh, no.
Mama Oak's out here for the first time in the E30, and this is a car she's gonna be learning how to drift in soon. So she'll get the feel for it now, and hopefully that gets locked in. Yeah, this car's doing good.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay, let's keep it that way.
All right, so we didn't film, we just let her enjoy it, but what'd you think?
Oh my God, so awesome. That was so fun.
I like kind of got up the hill. That was my big goal for the day, was to drift up the hill.
Yep.
And I don't know what the outside footage looks like, but I like got it by the skin of my teeth.
Oh no, you did great. Oh my God.
That was sick.
That was fun.
This thing's whipping, huh?
Yeah, this is.
God damn, this car's so much fun.
Yeah, it is. I can't wait to drive it. Woo!
What an awesome car.
Yeah, this is fun.
This thing, like, everyone's like, oh, these cars are so, like, snappy, like, blah, blah, they don't want to be sideways. And this thing is just like, nope, loves it.
Nope.
sessions had me going through so much goddamn tire. I kind of was hoping this car would use like half a set all day, but it looks like this is a tire slayer. So I'm having a blast. I still can't believe, I mean, we think it's doing so well right now. We literally drove this for the first time like barely 24 hours ago, and now it's here slaying, and it feels amazing. And it looks so goddamn good.
First spin out of the day. At the end of the day, I think we'll take it. Look at what he's resorted to. Look at those narrow boys. What the hell are those rear tires?
Dude, it's like ice skates out there. But I was able to make it up the hill.
I saw it.
Yeah.
I saw it. So that's all you need, I guess.
That's all you need.
Smaller tires.
Can you hear me? The roar of NASCAR in the background? Dude, it did so good today.
I was just gonna say that. She did great.
Unreal. Like,
It did great.
took my expectations and completely quadrupled it. I had high expectations for this car.
Yo, I think me and you need to both just.
I'll get you ready. I'll get you.
Pat ourselves on the back for that one, because this thing slayed today.
Animal.
Animal, no issues either.
Nope.
Not one.
It's like I think the fuel pump's dying.
Yeah, which that's not surprising. It's been sitting for years.
But good thing we love D-Works, so
Yeah, D-Works. We'll hit them up. They'll hook us up. We get a nice fuel pump in this thing.
hell yeah. But
One that's not gonna die.
the audio's probably horrible because of the race, but today was amazing. Car did amazing. I have such big plans for this thing. It was awesome. Everyone had a great time. I'm absolutely in love with this thing, and it's just exactly what I wanted and more. So with that, we're gonna end it. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And everyone,
Have a great night.